Comparing Skillshare and Tube Mastery and Monetization. Skillshare offers a wide range of courses including video editing, graphic design, writing, and more. It provides diversity in topics, allowing creators to explore different skills beyond YouTube content creation. Tube Mastery and Monetization. Matt Parr's course is specifically tailored for YouTube creators, focusing on building and monetizing a successful YouTube channel. It provides in-depth content covering niche selection, channel optimization, content creation, and monetization strategies. Specificity and focus. Skillshare is a general learning platform with courses spanning multiple subjects. While this allows for versatility, it might lack the focused depth that a platform dedicated solely to YouTube content creation provides. Matt Parr's course is highly focused on the entire process. It takes learners through a step-by-step journey, providing specific insights into the YouTube algorithm, content creation strategies, and monetization techniques. Instructor authority. Courses on Skillshare are created by a diverse range of instructors. While this provides different perspectives, the quality of courses can vary. Matt Parr, as a successful YouTube creator with millions of subscribers, brings his first-hand experience and success to the course. Learners benefit from the insights of someone who has achieved notable success on the platform. Ease of navigation. Skillshare's platform is user-friendly, and courses often include hands-on projects to reinforce learning. However, the structure and navigation may vary depending on the instructor. Matt Parr's course is designed to be straightforward and easy to navigate. The step-by-step approach ensures that learners can progress seamlessly through the modules, making it accessible for creators at different skill levels. Pricing. Skillshare operates on a subscription model, providing unlimited access to all courses for a monthly fee. This can be cost-effective for those who want to explore various topics. Matt Parr's course typically has a one-time enrollment fee. While this may represent a higher upfront cost, it provides lifetime access to the course content. In summary, Skillshare is great for those seeking diverse knowledge, while Matt Parr's course is ideal for aspiring YouTube creators looking for a focused, step-by-step guide to building a successful channel. So, for comparison between Skillshare and Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization, let's consider a crucial factor: value and cost-effectiveness. Content. Skillshare has over 30,000 training videos spanning various subjects. Skillshare offers a vast array of content. However, this extensive library can be overwhelming, especially for those specifically focused on YouTube. Matt Parr's course zeroes in on the essentials of YouTube success. It's not just about the number of videos, but the strategic, step-by-step guidance that ensures you're on the right path from day one. Focus. The breadth of Skillshare's content may lead to a lack of depth in specific areas. If you're seeking a comprehensive guide solely for YouTube success, this might not be the most focused solution. Matt Parr's course is tailored specifically for YouTube creators. It's not just about learning. It's about mastering the intricacies of niche selection, content creation, and monetization, making it the go-to resource for YouTube success. Navigation. While Skillshare is user-friendly, the sheer volume of content can make navigation challenging. It might take time to find the specific insights you need for YouTube success. Matt Parr's course is designed with a clear structure, ensuring you progress seamlessly through each stage of building and monetizing your YouTube channel. It's a guided journey, eliminating the guesswork. Value. Skillshare's subscription model offers access to a vast library. It may not be the most cost-effective solution, especially if you're primarily focused on YouTube. Matt Parr's course, with a one-time enrollment fee, provides lifetime access to focused, actionable content. This represents a cost-effective investment, specifically for YouTube success. In conclusion, while Skillshare is a valuable resource for diverse learning, if your goal is YouTube mastery, Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization stands out as the optimal choice. It's a comprehensive blueprint for success in the world of YouTube. If you found this review informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. If you're interested in Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization, You'll find a link to it in the comments section below, along with a Skillshare link. Check them both out and make your own informed choice of which one is better. Your opinion could be different than mine. Let me know what you think. Dive in, explore, and let's conquer YouTube together. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and I'll catch you in the next video.